Hi there guys, welcome to Benji's Foods. Now today I'll be making some butternut squash soup. This is a really simple dish to make. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And let's get to it. As you can see, I've got my vegetables prepared, peeled and chopped. Got the butternut squash, celery, the carrots, some onions and some garlic. And then what we'll be doing, I'm going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes to roast, and then we're going on to the next step. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to preset the oven to 170 degrees and get it ready to a nice temperature, ready for the vegetables. Okay, so halfway through while it's cooking and roasting, best thing to do is just to move the vegetables around so it doesn't cook on one side. Okay, so now your butternut squash is ready, roasted. We'll take it out of the oven. Okay, you're going to turn the kettle on, add the vegetable stock into the jug, then add the boiling water into the jug, add around about a pint's worth of hot water, then you're going to mix the vegetable stock, and you're going to add the vegetables into the food blender. Now once you've done that, you're going to add the vegetable stock into the food blender mixer, and let it do its magic. As you can see, the butternut squash is nice and smooth. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this into the pot. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to carry out the same process until I've blended the rest of the vegetables. There you go, the soup is ready for the pan. You see it's nice and smooth. Okay, so the next step is to add the sweet corn into the soup. Then you're going to mix it with a spoon, making sure that it's mixed thoroughly. Then you're going to add in some double cream. Now I'm going to add in around about half of the double cream into the soup, and I'm going to mix it all together. Now what you're going to do is let the soup cook for around about 10 minutes, but constantly stir the pot. Now the soup is ready to serve. To finish off the butternut squash soup, I'm going to garnish it with some herbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And I'll see you guys very soon on the next video.